Ngasi 3rd March ki oiba last 24 hour gi maroiba geopolitics ki news singsi video si hodringai da channel naw mayam da wafam amtang thamjage mayam da ina thagat jariba tamjariba pausi isana min uraga natragana war mafam da chatlaga thijaluraga tamjaba pau natte madugi resources natraga capability do ai sengna leijade thajaba ya ba pau che sing news agencies social media amadi internet tagi thijalaga sum mayam gi minna kong khara do warasuna sum hapsabani pau sing asi loina chumlam da basu ye khara soinaba khara lan basu dum yam ba ye masida ingonda atamnana yamna fajada mongda akampet nganglaga chairakpa follower khomira adagi dap ka torokpa seran turan nganganu kaina sigumba amani adum yawi yambadi nate madu tawiganu sengna nungai jade aige soibusu dum yawam be miyoibani fajana dum asoiba nungai tab yawragasu haibiu ai adum matungda semdok charake aduna tabida personal nungai na dabagi mongda tawbadudi tawiganu maduna kemta kana ro hawa famsi thamjage anyway video makha chatajarage ahanbada Iran da IRGC Iran Revolutionary Guard Corps na hairi makoina Israel gi Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu gi Tel Aviv ta leiba office ta target tawduna akanma mongda missile gi strike chathakre hairi lonana Israel gi haifa amadi East Jerusalem da leiba military and security center sing da su target tawduna chauna amangata thon kre hairi next ta Kuwait ki air defense system na US ki F-15 fighter jet ahum kapthakre hairi US ki Central Command hairi hariba incident asi friendly fire ni hojik thokliba ongoing conflict asida soibadagi thokpani hairi panbayabadi Kuwait asi US ki ally amasuni aduga F-15 strike eagle jet ahum adugi pilot or crew member tarukmak safely eject to hobgaloinana makoi gi condition sing auji loina stable and secure oire hairi next ta Lebanon masingam laba rocket samadi drone kya chinaduna Lebanon na Israel gi northern Haifa gi military site sing da attack tawkre hairi masi Iran gi supreme leader Khamenei hatkibagi retaliation attack ni hairi hariba attack asi ceasefire tawnakiba chahi amarongi matung han ba attack sueri masi gi matang da Israel na hairi Lebanon gi attack pumba intercept tawki loinana thoidokpa casualty yawkhide haina mathang da Israel gi pawda Lebanon gi attack adugi response oina Israel na Lebanon gi capital Beirut ki southern suburb ta heavy air strike chathakre hairi 50 plus towns amadi village sing loinana 70 plus Hezbollah gi target sing da attack adu chathaki hairi Lebanese official sing gi report matungina attack adu da mioi yankaini thoi laikhidre aduga 150 plus aso open yawkre hairi next ta Iran gi pawda US amadi Israel gi forces sing na Iran gi mathakta numit humni subo oina air strike continue da chathari hairi chathari ba attack sing adu Iran gi nuclear sites missile bases amadi Tehran gi mafam sing dani hairi Iranian state broadcaster gi report matungina hauzik chathariba conflict or war asida sikhiba mi gi masing asi 787 sukre hairi masi gi manungda yambana misamne su hairi next ta US ki pawda President Donald Trump na hairi Iran ga hauzik makhoiga chathariba conflict or war asi hana makhoina project torambasi yamlabada 4 to 5 weeks lomtamak changani haina torambani adu eragasu US ki forces ki oinadi masidagi makha sangtana lanasi chathabagi capability adumak lai hairi White House ta wangang bada Trump na haiki
Today, the United States military continues to carry out large-scale combat operations in Iran to eliminate the grave threats posed to America by this terrible terrorist regime.
Iran asi grave threat ni haina hadi in future da achoba khodong thingai orak pa yaisini aduna madu defend tawboina Iran da prior strike mangjona Iran gi nuclear site sing asida attack chathabani hairi US ki military na hairi yamdrabada US ki service member tarukti Iran gi conflict asida laikhidra haina makha taba update aiminasi